So guys, today we have cockles. Now, how did I get those? Those are a Southern Australia cockles. So we had them flown in. Yes, we did. So what we're going to show you today is a white wine lemon butter caper with a black garlic inside of that sauce. We're going to put that, but we're going to retherm a pasta inside of our RS, and then we're going to put together this beautiful dish with steamed cockles. The wonderful land of little neck clams or cockles. Today in our recipe, we've made this sauce here, which is actually kale. So we start with the kale and we cook that for about 15 minutes because we want to break down any starch, any stem into that kale. So we want it really soft to the bite. We have some cherry tomatoes, shiitake mushrooms, garlic and white wine, and then we're going to finish that with pats of butter, and that's our sauce. We have our spaghetti here that's actually going to go into the RS to heat, and we're going to cook our clams and our broccoli in there, and we're going to finish it with a little bit of rosemary and thyme. Come back and check out this dish. Antunis RS 1000. RS is a rapid steamer. So rapid, I guess we're going fast. Let's see what we can do here. We're doing a pasta dish. So the very first customer of the RS was retherming all of their pastas for their pasta dishes. So I was going to show you that, but I also want to show you clams, because I do believe and I have proved that seafood is an awesome thing to cook in the rapid steamer. Clams, mussels, lobster, fish dishes, salmon, seafood, anything you can think of in those categories can go in. But it is a steamer, 212 degrees. I can steam anything. I can go vegetables. I can practice if you can steam it, I can cook it in here, right? I can do it. So let's get started. We have little neck clams, what better known as cockles. Cockles are smaller than a little neck and even more tender to the bite. So we're gonna put these in. We have two center baskets. Clams go in. Hit clams. Now we're gonna load the pasta. All right, let's pull it and see what we got here. So we want to take our pasta first. So we got some nice hot rethermed pasta. Look at that. So we'll go with that right in the bowl. I'm getting happy. Look at this, guys. Now what we did is we sauteed our sauce with white wine, lemon butter, capers. We reduced that we cooked that kale for about 20 minutes. We added a trifecta of mushrooms into there and a little bit of blistered red tomato into that sauce. And then that white wine, lemon butter, we took a little bit of the clam juice and put inside of that reduction. So we're gonna go right over the pasta. All right, guys, and now let's see how our little cockles did. Look at these clams, guys. Look at this. So we're gonna put that right in our sauce. There you go. Look at that. Finish that with a little bit of thyme, a little bit of rosemary in there. You can put a little acidity on top and just a touch of flake salt, and there you have it, guys. Right out of the Antunis RS, the rapid steamer.